that's the important of, because the idea is that these powers, these different branches of government, they're not supposed to work together. You know, they're supposed to check and balance. They're supposed to be in conflict. When people say, well, you know, they're not getting along with the governor, that's fine. You know, it's okay that they don't get along with the governor. They shouldn't. They should disagree with the governor. And when they do come to us and say, well, this is a bipartisan agreement, hold on to your pocketbook, you know, from that perspective, because a bipartisan agreement means that everybody got together and figured out how they're going to spend our money. You know, they try and sell that as a big thing, you know, if they can attract votes on both sides.
Yeah.
But there's something in the Illinois Constitution called the single subject rule that says you can only have one matter involved in a particular piece of legislation. And the legislature violates that all the time, and they violate it so that they can trade votes on different matters and trade the spending. And they say, well, I'll build you a bridge here if you want a police station over there, et cetera, et cetera. That's all violation of the single subject rule in the Illinois Constitution. All of it should be unconstitutional, because the idea of the single subject rule is that each legislature has to stand up and say, yeah, I'm for that police station. Yes, I am for that bridge, as opposed to saying, well, there's a lot of good things in the bill, and I don't like these here, but I like these here, and on balance, it's a good piece of legislation. No, that's not how it's supposed to work. That's, in fact, under the Illinois Constitution, that is, in fact, illegal. And we don't have anybody that enforces that, because all the people that are in positions to enforce that benefit from violating it. And so that's something to be educational.